Hello children, welcome you all. Welcome to today's session. What lesson we are seeing now in math subject? Lines and shapes. What is our lesson name? Lines and shapes. I hope you all finished your home fun, isn't it? That 5.13, 5B. I gave home fun in last class. Those who finished, upload in Chrysalis home app. Now take your studio companion, pencil, eraser, sharpener and water bottle with you children. Clear? Now take your studio, take page number 85. Page number 85. Open your studio. See children, in last class we have seen some shapes, isn't it? What are the shapes? Say the shape's name. Square, rectangle, triangle, circle and oval. These are some shapes we have seen in last class. In today's class, we are going to see the solid shapes. What shapes in today's class we are going to see? Solid shapes. Now take page number 85 in your studio. See in page number 85, PEP activity 5.14 activity number. With your partner, make a ball and a box using the clay given by your teacher. See, you have to take the clay. You want to make a ball and box like this. Ask your parents, take a clay, make a ball and make a box like this in a clay. Now take next page. How do you feel after this activity? How do you feel after doing this activity? You have to tick your response. Clear? Okay, see here, shapes like the ball and the box are solid shapes. See here, you have done the clay ball and box, no. Like this only the solid shapes are. How the solid shapes? Like this clay ball and like this box. Like this only the solid shapes looks like. Okay, that's why they are saying here, shapes like the ball and the box are solid shapes. What is this? Underline this word. Solid shapes. Say the spelling for solid shapes. S-O-L-I-D, solid shapes. S-H-A-P-E-S, solid shapes. Here are a few other solid shapes. See here down they have given some solid shapes, isn't it? What are the shapes name? See the first that is called cube. What is that shape name? Cube. Cube. Say the spelling for cube. C-U-B-E. Cube. Next one is cuboid. See, it is like a square. See, it is like a rectangle. This we are saying as cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D. Cuboid. See here how this shape looks like. It is like a cone, no? So this shape name is called cone. C-O-N-E, cone. See next one, it is like a ball shape, isn't it? This is called sphere. What is the shape name? Sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. See here, last solid shape. How this shape looks like? Looks like a cylinder. Looks like a cylinder. Say the spelling for cylinder. C-Y-L-I-N-D-R, cylinder. These are some of the solid shapes we are going to see now. Clear? See the next page. Solid shapes move in different ways when placed on a slope. See here some of the solid shapes When we place like this means it will move in different ways. Whether it will roll and move or else it will slide and move. See here, some objects roll. See, if we kept ball like in this direction means it will roll and it will comes from up to down. See the second picture. Some objects slide. See, first one is roll and second it is slide. If we kept some eraser or sharpener in this position means this sharpener will slide and come down. Slide. But the ball will roll and come down. But if we kept a sharpener or eraser means it will slide and come down. Some objects roll and slide. Some objects will roll and some objects will slide, children. See the next activity 5.15, hands-on activity. Follow the instruction given by your teacher. Check if these objects roll or slide. Place a tick in the correct box. See here, first object they have given. What object? It is a ball. Does it roll? Ball will roll or slide, children? Roll, yes. So, tick it in roll. Does it roll? It will roll. Does it slide? Ball will slide and move like this. Ball will slide and move? No. So, put wrong in that slide box. Does it roll and slide? Whether ball will roll and slide? Both the one ball will do, children? No, put wrong. The ball only will roll. It won't slide. So, does it roll and slide means no. Put wrong. Clear? Okay, now take next page. See next page. Some of the objects they have given. We want to tick it in correct box. Whether it will roll or slide. See the pencil box. Pencil box, it will slide. It won't roll. Next, does it roll and slide? Whether the pencil box will roll and slide, children? No. So, put wrong in that box. It will only slide. It won't roll. See the next picture. This is like a birthday cone, isn't it? It will roll. Whether we will use in this direction means it will roll. If we kept in this direction and from up to down means it will slide. So, does it roll and slide? Yes. See next one. Glass is there. It will roll. If we moved in this direction means it will roll as like cone. When we kept in this direction means it will slide. So, it will roll and slide. See the next activity 5.16. Look deep. Which solid shape will make a better wheel for a vehicle? Discuss and share in class. Which wheel will make a better children? Which wheel will make better? This one. First one. Because it will only roll and move from the car from one place to another place, isn't it? Yes. First wheel. See here, first wheel only will be better because it will roll and move from one place to other place. When you see the vehicle's wheel and all, it will in roll direction, it will in the circle direction only, no. Then when it will roll and move from one place to another place. Next, companion 5C is your home fund. Now take your companion book. See here in page number 29, 5C is your home fund. Circle the objects that roll and tick the objects that slide. What you want to circle the objects. What are the objects will roll that you want to circle, and what are the objects will slide that you want to tick it. Clear? Now see your studio 5.17 activity number think and ink activity. Draw the objects in your pencil box that would roll, slide or both. This is also your home fun. You want to draw the objects. What are the objects in your pencil box? Whether the object will roll means draw in the first box. Whether it will slide means draw in the second box. Whether the objects will both roll and slide means draw in the third box. Draw that object. Simply draw that object in the third box. See 5D project time it is also your home fun. See your companion book. Page number 30, 5D project time. Collect and paste pictures of objects of different shapes. See here first shape is circle and second it is a square, third triangle, fourth rectangle. Shapes they have given. See here these, what are the objects? Looks like a circle shape. You want to paste it in here. What are the objects which looks like a square shape? You want to paste it here. Triangle shapes you want to paste it here. Rectangle shape you want to paste it here. Collect the object and paste it respective shapes. Okay. See next page. Collect and paste pictures of objects that roll and slide. What are the objects will roll? Collect the pictures and paste it in first box. What are the pictures will slide? Collect the pictures and paste it in second box. What are the objects will roll and slide? Collect the pictures and paste it in third box. Just you collect the picture of a paper and paste it in the respective boxes. This is your home fun. After completing this, upload in Chrysalis Home App children. Now see your studio page number 90. Concept map. Lines and shapes. What is the lesson name we are seeing now? Lines and shapes. What are the different lines? Curved lines and straight lines. And different shapes we have seen. See here shapes. Triangle, square, rectangle, circle. How many sides does triangle has? See here triangle. How many sides? Number of sides? 3. 1, 2, 3. See the square. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of sides? 4. See the rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of sides for rectangle? 4. Circle has any sides? See number of sides for circle is 0. Okay. See next we have seen the solid shapes. Those that slide. Those that roll. Those that roll and slide. These we have seen in before activities. See the next question time. Circle the odd one in each based on its shapes. Which is the odd one you want to circle it in these two questions. Next, trace along the dots to draw the shape. Write the name of the shape. See here dotted lines they have given. You want to trace the dotted lines. Join the dots and write what is that shape. See next page also. They have given the B question. Join these dots and write the shape name. C question also. Join these dots and write the shape name. D also join these dots and write the shape name. I hope you all enjoyed today's session. What are the new shapes we are seeing today? See in last class we have seen all these shapes. In today's class we have seen solid shapes. What are the solid shapes? Cube, cuboid, cone, sphere, cylinder. These are the solid shapes we have seen in today's class. These 5 shapes are solid shapes we have seen today. Those who finished your home fun, after completing your home fun, upload in Chrysalis home app. I hope you all enjoyed today's session. Let we meet in next lesson, children. Go through the lesson every day. Write these solid shapes and shapes name. Write and practice in your rough note. Then only the shape name will frequently you will write by your own. Okay? These shapes name, practice it in your home. Okay children, thank you all.